How much should you actually spend on headers for your Chevy 350? Because some people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, LYNSHINE Copper Gasket Set. First up, we have the LYNSHINE Header Collector Gasket Set, priced at just $18.89. What stood out to me is its design. These gaskets are made of copper, which really caught my attention because of its durability and heat resistance. If you're looking for a reliable way to prevent exhaust leaks, this is worth a serious look. The copper material ensures a tight seal, which means your engine will perform better without those annoying leaks. Plus, it's reusable, so you won't need to replace it every time you work on your exhaust. With a solid 4.4-star rating from 59 reviews, you can see that many users appreciate its quality. Now, some people complained about the fit not being perfect for all models. Here's the thing though, if you're installing it on the right engine type, it shouldn't pose a problem. Just make sure you double-check your compatibility before buying. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast looking for an affordable and effective gasket solution. Skip this one if you need a full exhaust solution though, as it's just gaskets and won't help with performance upgrades directly. For under $20, it's a great value if you need reliable gaskets. Now, if the need for gaskets alone doesn't excite you, the next one might actually be even better for complete header upgrades. Product number 2, PGPOWRGO Exhaust Headers. Next, we have the PGPOWRGO exhaust headers priced at $231.19. What really caught my eye here is the polished 304 stainless steel finish, which not only looks great but also adds corrosion resistance. If you're looking for a sturdy performance increase, this is definitely worth considering. This means you'll get a horsepower boost from idle to mid-range RPM, which is where you really want that performance. The fully mandrel bent tubes and thick head flanges provide durability, while the TIG welded joints ensure they won't crack easily. With a 4.5-star rating from 93 reviews, users are clearly satisfied with the gains they see. However, some users mention that installation can be tricky if you're not experienced. I'll be real with you, if you're not comfortable with some mechanical work, this might be a bit frustrating. But if you have the skills or know someone who does, it's totally worth it. This is perfect for you if you're aiming for serious performance upgrades on your Chevy 350. Skip this one if you're not ready to deal with the installation challenges. At this price point, it's a solid investment for the gains you can achieve. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for long tube options. Product number 3. Certified Automotive Experts Long Tube Headers. Third on the list are the Certified Automotive Experts Polished Stainless Steel Long Tube Headers, retailing at $309.99. Honestly, the long tube design really piqued my interest because it promises an even smoother exhaust flow. If you want to maximize your engine's potential, this is worth a serious look. They're engineered specifically for the square body applications, so if you own one of those classics, you'll appreciate the perfect fit. The polished stainless steel construction not only looks sleek but also helps resist corrosion over time. Plus, it includes premium gaskets, which is a nice touch. With a 3.9-star rating from 80 reviews, users have noted improvements in performance, particularly in higher RPM ranges. Here's the thing though, if you're willing to invest in those plugs, the payoff in performance is absolutely worth it. Just make sure you're ready for that extra step. This is perfect for you if you own a classic Chevy and want to enhance performance seamlessly. Skip this one if you aren't ready to deal with extra installation requirements. Given its premium build, it's a fair price for what you get. Now, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, the next product might just do the trick. Product number 4, PGPOWRGO Black Paint Headers. Next up are the PGPOWRGO exhaust headers with a black paint finish, priced at $180.79. I have to say, the black paint gives it a stealthy look that many enthusiasts love. If you're looking for a budget-friendly way to boost your engine's performance, you should definitely keep this on your radar. They provide that crucial horsepower gain from idle to mid-range RPM, just like the polished version. The construction features 16-gauge steel, meaning you're getting solid durability without breaking the bank. Plus, it has a 4-star rating from 83 reviews, indicating that users are generally happy with their purchase. However, some reviewers mention that the black paint may chip over time. Here's the thing, if you're okay with a bit of wear and tear, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. After all, performance is what you're after, right? This is perfect for you if you want an affordable upgrade without sacrificing too much quality. Skip this one if you're looking for a premium finish and aesthetics. It's a great value for improving performance without spending too much. If the paint finish isn't a priority for you, the last product might be just what you need. Product number 5, PLK-HCU Copper Header Gasket Kit. Finally, we have the PLK-HCU Copper Header Collector Gasket Kit, priced at $32.52. Honestly, what impressed me here is the inclusion of both high-quality copper gaskets and stainless steel bolts, making it a complete package. If you're in the market for a reliable gasket solution, this is worth a look. The copper gaskets are specifically built to withstand high temperatures, meaning you won't have to worry about them blowing out under pressure. The included stainless steel bolts won't rust, ensuring a long-lasting fit. With a 4.5-star rating from 16 reviews, it's clear that users value this kit for its quality. However, some buyers noted that the screws were a bit long for certain applications. Here's the thing though, if you pay attention during installation, this shouldn't be an issue. Just trim them if necessary and you're good to go. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable gasket solution for your headers. Skip this one if you're looking for just headers and not the complete gasket solution. At just over $30, it's a solid value for what you get. To wrap things up, we looked at 5 great options for headers on your Chevy 350. The LYNSHINE copper gasket set for reliable sealing, the PGPOWERGO polished headers for performance, the Certified Automotive Experts long tube headers for classic builds, the PGPOWERGO black headers for budget-friendly power, and the PLK-HCU gasket kit for a complete sealing solution.